watching us from. My name is Surveyor Mushofa Yahaya. I am a property consultant with Val Real Estate Ghana. You're welcome to our construction progress report for April 2023 at Harmonia Residence in Airport West. Hello Mahmoud.
Hi, nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you too. Can you please tell us what's happening on
So
site?
the first time you came here, we were doing the first level of excavation. So we done all this level up to -5 meters. So now we are doing the second level and the third level in parallel. We achieved something like 60 or let us say more than 60% of the second level of excavation. At the same time, we're doing the third level to probe the rock. We're using the hammering to probe the rock or to break the rock to do it in parallel. So we save that time and we do it together.
Okay.
So we are going to reach 12-meter depth to maintain the previous.
So how deep are we now?
Now the guys are standing on the 9-meter depth and the excavator is doing 11-meter depth. So remaining 1 meter we reach the final level of the excavation, which is 12 meters.
Okay. So I see there are a lot of rocks down here. Is it posing a challenge to you?
Yeah, it's a challenge. You know, rocks inside is challenge. So that's why I'm using the hammering machine you can see. So this one to crush all the stones. And another excavator, we're doing the maintenance for it right now to start to load the big rocks. So we have 3 excavators on site, 1 for hammering and 2 for loading the tipper trucks.
And that machine is still...
Yeah, this is the rig machine. I explain it for you later.
Yes,
so remain for me 3 anchors. They finished the first one and the 2 will done today.
Okay. Thank you so much for this update.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Anytime
We'll see you again.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.